If you manage contacts in Mailchimp, knowing how to archive and unarchive them is a simple but powerful skill. It helps you keep your audience list clean, stay organized, and bring back contacts whenever you need them again. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step in a quick and easy way. And if this tutorial helps, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more Mailchimp tips and software tutorials. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Audience section in the left-hand menu and click it. This is where all of your contacts are stored, and it's also where you can manage archived contacts later on. Now that you're in your audience, go to the contacts list and select the contact you want to archive. You can usually click directly on the contact name or check the box next to the contact, depending on how your audience list is displayed. Once the contact is selected, look for the archive option and click it. Mailchimp will ask you to confirm this action, because archiving removes the contact from your active audience. To continue, type archive exactly as shown. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental changes. After typing it in, click archive one more time to finish the process. At this point, the contact is archived and no longer appears in your regular audience list. This is useful when you want to keep your list organized without permanently deleting someone from your account. Now let's go over how to unarchive a contact. To do that, click the three dots or the More Options menu in the Contacts area. From there, choose Archived Contacts. This will open a list of everyone you've previously archived. Find the contact you want to restore and click on it. Once the contact details open, look for the Unarchive option. In some cases, Mailchimp may show an Unarchive All button or a similar Restore option, depending on the screen you're on. Click that to continue. Just like before, Mailchimp will ask you to confirm the action. Type Unarchive exactly as requested, then click Unarchive to complete the process. After that, the contact will be restored and available again in your active audience. And that's it. You now know how to archive and unarchive contacts in Mailchimp. This is a great way to manage your audience more efficiently while keeping your account tidy and organized. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.